You've probably heard of us mention Continental's BlackChili Compound, an innovative tyre technology helped to improve performance. At its core, BlackChili is all about how the tyre interacts with the road surface. By using a specialised blend of polymers, carbon black, and resins, Continental has engineered a compound that can adapt more effectively to different driving conditions. When it comes to tyres, the three main factors are grip, rolling resistance, and mileage. And usually, when you improve one, the others suffer. Whereas BlackChili provides an unprecedented level of performance, with up to 30% higher grip, 26% less rolling resistance, and a 5% increase in mileage when compared to their previous compound. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Using the Sport Contact 7 as an example, the BlackChili compound combines the ultra-high performance driving with increased mileage, so drivers no longer have to compromise. Plus, it's tailor-made for every vehicle class, so each tyre provides the same sport contact performance in both the wet and the dry. So there we have it, Continental's BlackChili Compound, a high-performance, innovative technology that's going to help keep you controlled and confident when you're next driving.